Double-hung windows. Lexington is a popular choice for homeowners seeking both style and functionality. Our window installation company specializes in providing top-notch double-hung window options Lexington residents love. With a variety of double-hung window Lexington styles offers, you can enhance your home's aesthetic while improving energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows. Lexington are essential for reducing energy costs and maintaining a comfortable home environment. Our custom window solutions in Lexington SC include a range of energy-efficient windows designed to meet your specific needs. By choosing energy-efficient windows Lexington, you can enjoy lower utility bills and a more sustainable home. Window replacement services in Lexington SC are crucial for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our Lexington window replacement experts provide comprehensive services, including window glass replacement Lexington and window frame repair Lexington. Trust our window contractors Lexington to deliver exceptional results for your home window upgrades. Lexington. Vinyl double-hung windows Lexington are a durable and affordable option for homeowners in Lexington SC. Our vinyl windows Lexington are designed to withstand the elements while providing excellent insulation. Affordable windows Lexington are available in various styles and finishes to suit your home's design. Window repair Lexington services are essential for addressing issues such as leaks, drafts, and broken hardware. Our window repair services. Lexington include window leak repair, Lexington, window hardware repair, Lexington, and window sash replacement Lexington. Rely on our professional window services Lexington to keep your windows in top condition. Custom Windows Lexington offer a personalized touch to your home's design. Our window design consultation services in Lexington help you choose the perfect custom windows to complement your home's architecture. With our window design Lexington expertise, you can achieve a unique and stylish look for your home. Window maintenance Lexington is vital for prolonging the life of your windows and ensuring their optimal performance. Our double-hung window maintenance Lexington services include regular inspections, cleaning, and repairs. Trust our window maintenance experts in Lexington SC to keep your windows functioning smoothly. Residential window services in Lexington SC cater to the specific needs of homeowners looking to improve their property's appearance and efficiency. Our residential windows Lexington offerings include a wide range of styles, materials, and finishes. Enhance your home's curb appeal with our expert window installation Lexington services.